another Epicflows Production.
What did you do?
I name everything.
Like what?
I eat all that food that left over. I name a little piece of chicken. I drink a little bit of Irish mash where they left. I name me mashed potato, everything I name everything. First meet her in a half a tree. Now Burger King, for Constant Spring side there, so. I name a big zinger. And she come in with her friend them, but she never did like me.
No, I didn't like you at first.
Look a bit after that, I go by the supermarket up the road and she that me see again, me see same girl. I see how that girl is so Craven, man. Just see her then a BK eat and now she the right so I buy up the whole heap of snack them, so. She look uptownish, so me just say, me see what can go on. And see me just say, oh, me say to you, babes.
And then you offered to bring my groceries upstairs.
Yes, after that we start spend a whole heap of time together. And a whole heap of food she cook for me.
Like, every day.
But still, the girl couldn't cook at all. I have to dash her everything.
Yeah. Me too.
You used to do that too? That's why I used to ask her jumpy and Craven when we go KFC in the evening them.
I would go through his phone and I would like see text messages or like pictures, and then I would ask him about it. And sometimes he would lie and just say like, oh, that's not true, you don't know what you're talking about. And he said like, oh, I'll stop, but then he didn't.
The girl too Craven, man. Every time we go to KFC, she have to order the most and after her menu have to be the best and so I take a couple pictures sent to my friend them, yes. I've showed them how she Craven.
One time I went to his room and he had someone else in his room and he told me to leave.
Alright, if you buy one little pizza for 2 people and you budget out the slice them, if somebody new come, oh yeah, go to me, I go give her a piece of my slice. No, me don't budget out in my mind, say me I go eat X amount of slices. So me tell her to leave. Nothing wrong with that.
I went back to my room and I just cried like the whole night.
One little piece of pizza you go cry for. She too Craven, man.
And then I think I went like a little while without talking to you. And then you said something like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do it again.
Yo, me have to wonder what happened to that wanga gut belly girl, you know. Molly Smith and my food. You can't imagine that?
What do you mean?
Every time I put water in my mouth and she that, I just have to wonder how she have her eyes for me so. Any food come near me and she that come near me too.
Yeah, I didn't trust you.
Like me just have to wonder how you're so Craven like some fancy cat to your father. You come from uptown and you have your money. You basically live on KFC and BK. So what happen if me just want to eat a little food personally for myself and I don't feel for share? What wrong with you?
I don't know, I think I was like stupid.
And just cause the food couldn't do for you 2 away. Sometimes you just licky. Everything you want.
Yeah, I think that's true.
But still, me look back and you just nyam so everything you nyam. And you not get fat. You just have to imagine how you nyam out your friend them at the time. Everything you just nyam so. And you make me look like the bad guy.
I don't think you're a bad guy. I forgave you.
You're too wicked, man. You forgave me because you know it's my birthday that come up and me that get whole heap of cake and ice cream and then something there. That's how that girl is so like, man. But But I bet you wouldn't even know why I make you come on my party even though you're so damn craven.
Because you're my best friend.
But that was the crocodile tears, man. You know what I say, I'm a girl. Boy, the feel if you say me get the biggest slice of cake.
But it was hard.
So it goes still.
Yeah.
Craven, you craven, man. You just have to start hide and yam food like so cheat me a cheat.
How many times did you cheat on me?
Oh, you're so dramatic. Don't know.
If you had to say.
Well, I'm not gonna lie still. I will eat a yam, banana and dumpling in the box done by myself. Cause you know say me come home and I try eat it and you that and I beg me.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic.